One of the ways that you can be profitable in trading is to learn to take your losses very fast. If you see any trade that's not going to go profitable the way you want, take that loss and move forward. Some people keep their losing trade running for a long time and they cut their winning trade. If you trade that way, you're not going to be profitable. You're welcome again to Real Trading with David Wekulom. Today is 26th of March 2025 and I want to review the trades we took yesterday. Yesterday I told you that the New Zealand dollar was showing signs that it was going to be very strong, and then we took 3 trades. We took the pound against New Zealand dollar, 2 positions there. Then we took New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen. Another currency that I shared yesterday was New Zealand dollar against Swiss franc, and these 3 trades are doing wonders. Okay, if you look at the running trades here, you know that we withdrew $1,000 out of this account yesterday, so we resumed the trading with $1,000, and you can see here that the running trades we have here, we are running in a profit of $284 just between yesterday and today. So you can see very well that we can actually trade this account from $500 to $10,000 effortlessly. I am doing this to encourage you that if you learn how to trade Forex effectively, you can actually make reliable income from trading. So if you are struggling to trade, I want you to show up on this channel every day and follow up this live analysis. One thing I observe, my videos are not getting the views that I think they deserve to be getting, because we are sharing proven trade and track record here, things that people do not share in other channels. So if you know anybody that is struggling, if you know any of your friends that want to learn how to trade, direct them to this channel. Copy the link of the video, share the videos with them, tell them about this channel and help them to make progress. So if you look at the Weldds macro tracker today, it was updated after the UK CPI and Australia CPI news was released. You can see that New Zealand dollar continued to be acquiring a lot of strength, and then USD has also overtaken the pound in terms of strength. When you go to the chart and look at the running trade, like for New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, if you look at it, we took that trade here yesterday. It is in profit, so you can wait for a retracement back to 61.8. This is a new pulse move. It has broken structure here, so you can wait for this to pull back and then you can take the trade if that happens. Then you can also see New Zealand dollar CHF. If you miss any of the trades, there is no need to rush and be chasing trades up and down. This was where we executed the trade, so wait for the impulse move to complete and a correction to 61.8 fib level, and then you can take that trade. This is what I mean. If this impulse move goes to any level and complete, then you wait for a retracement, then you can take the trade. If you have the Fibonacci retracement, what you can just do, use the Fibonacci from the beginning of the impulse to the end, and then wait for it to come back to 61.8, and then you can execute. That is a good one. Then for GBP New Zealand dollar, this was the trade we took yesterday, and yesterday it was actually running in a loss, but I was so confident about this trade. It is already in profit. So what you can do is wait for a pullback and then you can join the trade. So those are the happening trades. But there is one thing I want to say finally before I leave today. If you check this account, we started with $1,007, but what you can see here, our balance is 949. What really happened yesterday is that if you come here, I took 2 trades, which was USD JPY and GBP JPY. Those trades hit stop loss. So one of the ways that you can be profitable in trading is to learn to take your losses very fast. If you see any trade that's not going to go profitable the way you want, take that loss and move forward. Okay, some people keep their losing trade running for a long time and they cut their winning trade. If you trade that way, you're not going to be profitable. So learning how to take your losses on time is one of the ways to be profitable in trading. Thank you very much. Drop a comment. Any question you have about what I am doing here, any question you have about Forex trading, ask it on the comment. I will respond to you. We are here to support ourselves and grow.